Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iklim Apriani Putri. Now I want to tell you about the field of pharmaceutical chemistry. Pharmaceutical chemistry. Pharmaceutical chemistry is a combined discipline of chemistry and pharmacy involved in the design, isolation, synthesis, analysis, identification, development of natural and synthetic material used as pharmaceutical drug which can be used for therapy. This field also conducts studies on existing drugs in the form of chemical, physical properties, structure, and the relationship between structure and activity. Natural product. Natural product is anything that is produced by life and includes biotic materials, wood and silk, bio-based material, bioplastic and contrast, bodily fluids, milk and plant exudates, and other natural material that were once found in living organisms, soil, and coal. Analytical chemists. Analytical chemists assess the chemical structure and nature of substance. Their skills are needed for a variety of purposes, including drug development, forensic analysis, and toxicology. Analytical chemists can specialize in areas as varied as toxicology, pharmaceuticals, and forensics. Theoretical chemist. Theoretical chemistry is the discipline that uses quantum mechanics, classical mechanics, and statistical mechanics to explain the structure and dynamics of chemical system and to correlate, understand, and predict their thermodynamic and kinetic properties. Modern theoretical chemistry may be roughly divided into the study of chemical structure and the study of chemical dynamics. The former includes studies of 1. Electronic structure, potential energy surface, and force fields. 2. Vibrational rotational motion, and 3. Equilibrium properties of condensed phase system and macromolecule. Chemistry dynamic includes 1. Bimolecular kinetic and the collision theory of reaction and energy transfer. 2. Unimolecular rate theory and metastable state. And 3. Condensed phase and macromolecular aspect of dynamics. Medicinal chemist. Medicinal chemistry or pharmaceutical chemistry is the chemistry discipline concerned with the design, development, and synthesis of pharmaceutical drugs. The discipline combines expertise from chemistry and pharmacology to identify, develop, and synthesize chemical agents that have a therapeutic use and to evaluate to the properties of exciting drug. Bioengineers. The application of engineering principles, practice, and technologies to the fields of medicine and biology, especially in solving problems and improving care, as in the design of medical device and diagnosis equipment or the creation of biomaterial and pharmaceutical biomedical engineering. Toxicologist. Toxicologist is a scientist who has a strong understanding of many scientific disciplines such as biology and chemistry, and typically works with chemical and other substances to determine if they are toxic or harmful to human and other living organisms or the environment. Just like there are different types of doctors, there are different types of toxicology specialists. A toxicologist working in the pharmaceutical industry, for example, might work to make sure that potential new drugs are safe for testing in clinical trial for humans. Clinical. The term clinical refers to a healthcare professional qualified in the clinical practice of medicine. Clinicians are those who provide principal care for a patient where there is no planned endpoint of the relationship. Expertise needed for the ongoing management of a chronic disease or condition, care during a defined period and circumstance, such as hospitalization, or care as ordered by another clinician. Clinician may be physician, nurse, pharmacist, or other allied health professionals. And last, physician, a person skilled in the art of healing, specifically one educated, clinically experienced, and licensed to practice medicine is usually distinguished from surgery, or one exerting a remedial or salutary impulse. I think enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.